Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what are the best export settings for videos. So these are, for example, for YouTube. So first of all, we want to go ahead to this gear icon at the bottom right corner, project settings. And here you want to change the resolution to 4K, which is this one, and save it. Now it will be a really good quality. And now to export, you're going to go to the bottom on this rocket thing button, which is export settings. And now you will choose a custom export. You will choose a location for your video where you want it to be exported to. Now on the video settings here, export video, the format should be QuickTime H.264. The resolution is this one because we chose this. Now the frame rate is almost 30. So this means that we want to restrict this quality, and we can leave it to 80,000 because it's 30 frame rate. 60,000 also would be good, but we can leave it to 80,000, so the quality would be really good. And now we can also make it larger. We can make it to 100 to 100,000. If we want to, and after that you just add this render to queue and save it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.